Carrot. Carrots. I eat carrots. Potato. Potatoes. I like potatoes. Tomato. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are red. Onion. Onions. Onions are strong. Garlic. Garlic. Garlic is strong. Cucumber. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are fresh. Lettuce. Lettuce. Lettuce is green. Cabbage. Cabbages. Cabbage is healthy. Broccoli. Broccoli. Broccoli is green. Pepper. Peppers. Peppers are spicy. Corn. Corn. Corn is sweet. Pea. Peas. Peas are small. Bean. Beans. Beans are healthy. Mushroom. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are soft. Spinach. Spinach. Spinach is healthy. Eggplant. Eggplants. Eggplants are purple. Zucchini. Zucchinis. Zucchini is green.